Dear students, we are going to start a new topic, IUPAC nomenclature. So, for your syllabus, there are only 3 to 4 compounds are there for the nomenclature. So, bicyclic compounds. So, in bicyclic compounds, the Spiro compound is there, the fused ring system is there, and bridged ring system, biphenyl compounds, cumulines, and finally quinoline and isoquinoline compounds. So only few compounds are going to nomenclature here. Now see here, so what is the long form of IUPAC? So it is an international union of pure and applied chemistry. So by use of this IUPAC, we can nomenclature compounds. We are giving names for the organic compounds. So by use of this IUPAC nomenclature rules, we are going to write names for these bicyclic compounds. So let's begin with the bicyclic compound. So what is mean by a bicyclic compound? So see these examples here, a biphenyl, cyclohexyl benzene is there, cyclohexyl, cyclohexane or bicyclohexyl. So these are the names to these compounds. If you see these molecules, these compounds having more than one ring system. So if more than one ring is there, then it is called as a polycyclic compounds. So in case of these compounds, there are only two rings are there, therefore such molecules are known as a bicyclic. So two cyclic rings are bonded with each other, so such molecules are known as an bicyclic compounds. So these two rings, now in case of biphenyl, these two rings are benzene, that is aromatic, but in case of the cyclohexyl benzene, one ring is aromatic, another is alicyclic, and in case of this last example, bicyclohexyl group, so both the rings are not aromatic compounds. So the biphenyl compounds are maybe of aromatic or maybe of alicyclic. So if you see this structure, Roman 1, the compounds having two isolated rings of any type attached by a single bond. So when the compound, when two rings are isolated or bonded by a single bond, then such compounds are different than the other. So see the second type. So these molecules are fused ring system. If you see this next page, that is naphthalene is there, decalene is there, benzocyclopentene is there. So these molecules are known as a fused ring system. In this case, two carbon atoms are common between the two rings, and these two rings are fused such that the carbon-carbon bond is common between the two rings. If you come to know this, the more compounds, so see here, these two carbon atoms are common to both the rings. So this carbon and this carbon, this carbon and this carbon. So these molecules are known as fused ring system. So in this fused ring system, two carbon atoms are common to both the rings. The third type of this bicyclic compound is Spiro compound. So in Spiro compound, one carbon is common to both the rings. So in this case, two carbons are common, but in case of Spiro, the one single carbon is common to both the rings. Such compounds are known as Spiro compounds. And this carbon, which is common to both the rings, is known as Spiro atom. So next is a bridged ring system. So in this case, two rings are joined such that more than one carbon atom and more than one carbon-carbon bond are common to both the rings. So see here, so this carbon is common to this both the rings. So suppose this one is ring, this ring is also, a second ring is there, but this carbon, that is, if you come to notice these compounds, these two bonds, carbon-carbon bonds, are common to both the rings, and this carbon is common to both the rings. So this is a bridge-like system. Therefore, such molecules are known as bridged ring system. So there are four types of bicyclic compounds. So the first Roman, where the two cyclic rings are isolated by a single bond. In case of fused ring system, two rings are common, that is two rings are fused such that the two carbon atoms are common to both. See the example of naphthalene. So third is Spiro compound, where a single carbon is common to both the rings. So in case of bridged ring system, one carbon atom or more than one carbon-carbon bond is common to both the rings. So there are four types of these bicyclic compounds are there. So let's begin with the nomenclature of the Spiro compounds, how the naming is given to the Spiro compounds. So the Spiro compounds are the compounds in which a common carbon atom is there for the two rings. So one common carbon is there for the two rings. See here. So this carbon, I will take a different color for this. So this is a common carbon, and this carbon is common to this ring and this ring. So this common carbon is known as a spiroatom. So these compounds may be hydrocarbons, or they may be derivatives having a double bond, or other functional groups may be there in the structure. So now we are going to nomenclature these Spiro compounds, how to give naming to these molecules. So now see the first rule. The word Spiro followed by a square bracket mentioning the number of carbon atoms in each ring, excluding the common carbon in ascending order separated by a dot. So for naming these molecules, these Spiro compounds, we are giving a name initially, a Spiro, then it is followed by a square bracket. So in the square bracket, we are giving a numbers. Which numbers? The number of carbon atoms in each ring, and these carbon atoms are written in the ascending order separated by a dot. So there are only two rings are there, so I am giving a dot in the square bracket. So we are ordering these carbon atoms in the ascending order. Therefore the first smaller ring has given the numbers. So this is one carbon, two carbons, so only two carbons are there. Therefore I will write here two carbon atoms, 2 dot, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2.4 is given here, means this molecule has two rings are there, and this ring, one ring has two carbon atoms and another ring has 4 carbon atoms are there. So this is written in the square bracket, and these two numbers should be in the ascending order, and these two numbers are separated by a dot. Now see the second rule. The square bracket is now followed by a name of parent alkane corresponding to the total number of carbon atoms in the ring, including the Spiro carbon atom. Now see this, count the number. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total 7 carbon atoms including the Spiro carbon atom is there. So 7 carbon is the parent carbon in the molecule, so it is a heptane molecule. So Spiro 2.4 square bracket heptane is the name of that molecule. Okay, so we are going to give the numbers to this compound. So the numbering here, heptane. So this numbering starts from atom which is directly bonded to the Spiro carbon. So number first is given to that ring which is smaller ring, and that number is started from the carbon which is directly bonded to the Spiro carbon. So see here, so this is a Spiro carbon, this is the smaller ring on the right hand side, and this is the bigger ring on the left hand side. So numbering is given to the smaller ring initially and to the carbon which is directly bonded to this spiro. So this is this carbon or this carbon. So I'll give this number 1, 2. Okay, the smaller ring is numbered first, and then the numbering goes through the spirocarbon atom into the large ring. So I have given 1, 2, give the number 3 to the spiro atom, then go to the bigger ring, that is 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the rule for nomenclature of this spirocarbon atom. So what we have did here, initially we have written the spiro name here, spiro, then followed by a square bracket, the numbers are given. So initially the first number is given for the smaller ring, the second number is given for the bigger ring, and these two are separated by a dot and square bracket is there, and after that the total number count is calculated for this ring, and then it is written in as a alkane. So the numbering is given here for the smaller ring, and after that we are going to the a bigger ring. So this is what the nomenclature is there, the rules for the nomenclature of the spiro compounds. So very simple nomenclature is there. Now see these examples for, and fourth one, fourth rule is also there. If suppose the molecule contains a substituent or the functional group is there, then numbering is done in for such molecules in such a way that the functional group or the double bond receives the lowest possible number. Okay, let's begin with the examples. So this is a molecule. Now see here. So cyclopentane is there, and on the right hand side cyclobutane. So these two are get fused, and one carbon is common to both the rings. So you know that the first rule is that write the spiro, then after that in a square bracket the numbering is given to the rings. Now see the number. So 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, therefore it is written as 3. So now 1, 2, 3 and 4, therefore it is written as 4. So this 3 and 4 are separated by a dot, and total number, if you count the total number, numbering is started to the smaller ring, therefore it is 1, it's 2, 3, 4, then you can write 5 on the upper side or below. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 carbons are there, therefore the name is octane. So this name of this molecule is spiro 3,4-octane. So the second example of this molecule is spiro 3.5 nonane. Now see the how many number of carbon atoms are there. So there are total 9 carbon atoms are there, therefore the name is nonane spiro. The square bracket, so 1, 2, 3 carbon is there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 is given in the square bracket. So this is a simple nomenclature for this spiro compound. So the next is, if suppose the molecule contains substituents like CH3NH2, Cl, O, CH3 or double bond is there, then how the numbering is given? The same rules are followed everywhere. So see this molecule. So in this case the numbering is given to the smaller ring. So this is a 5-membered ring system, and this is the 6-membered. Therefore the numbering initially given to the 5-membered ring system. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, the spiro has given the 5 number. Now the question is whether the number is given, whether the number is started here or here, 6. So the number is given to that carbon which contains a substituent, therefore the 6 number is given here, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is a 10 carbon containing compound, therefore it is known as a decane. So this is a substituent here, therefore the name of substituent is written before the spiro word, therefore this is a prefix 6-chloro, because this chlorine is bonded at the 6th carbon atom, therefore it is 6-chlorospiro. So there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, therefore it is 5 carbon, therefore it is a 6-chlorospiro 4.5 decane. So the next example is here. So at both the side, same ring is there, same numbered carbon atoms are there, 4 carbon atoms, that is cyclobutane is fused with each other. So now, so whether numbering is given on the left hand side or to the right hand side is there. So now see the substituents position. So here and here. So one is amino and another is a methyl substituents. Then the numbering for such molecules are given on the basis of alphabetical order. So now see here, this is an amino. A is first in the alphabet, then M, that is methyl. Therefore the numbering is started, the carbon which is next to this pyrocarbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So at the second position amino group is there, at the sixth methyl group is there, spiro compound is there, and this compound has 1, 2, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbons are there on the left and right hand side, excluding the spirocarbon atom. Therefore the name for this molecule is 2-amino 6-methyl spiro 3,3-heftane. Okay, now see here, this example I will take. So it contains an unsaturated functional group is there. We know that for the spiro compound the numbering is given to the smaller ring initially. So therefore the numbering is given here 1, 2, 3. Spiro carbon has given the number. Then after that the number starts here 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore the double bond is started at the 5th carbon atom and 7th carbon atom. Therefore, and total carbon atoms are 8. Therefore it is an octane, but 2 double bonds are there and the numbers of double bond starts here at 5th and 7th. Therefore the name is octa 5,7 diene system is there, and this molecule is a spiro and it has 3 carbon atoms on the right and 4 carbon atoms in the left. Therefore this compound is a spiro 3,4 octa 5,7 diene system is there. So similar to this, other name are here. The naming is given on the basis of these rules. So very simple nomenclature for this spiro compound is there. So next point, in the next lecture we will see fused and bridged ring system.